Well, hey there. Happy Thanksgiving.
Family and feasting and a whole lot of football.
The mood for the Eagles will be good if they can figure out what kind of play they'll get from their quarterback.
This one's knocked out of the hand of Sanchez, recovered by the Lions and Ansa. Pass caught, touchdown. Theo Riddick. Pass caught, Tate makes a move and walks in. He's got it for the touchdown. You knew it was really just a matter of time. End zone, touchdown, Calvin Johnson. Johnson is there for the touchdown. Number 3. 5 touchdown passes in the game. Here's Bell, touchdown, more points for the Lions.
Cam Newton right in the heart of the MVP discussion. Josh Norman
really looking forward to going against Des Bryant.
They have no margin for error from this point forward.
They got to run the table to get a chance to get to the playoffs.
Romo from the pocket. He is picked off. He's going to find the end zone. Carolina. It is in and out of the hands and broken up.
That is played perfectly.
He's intercepted by Kuechly. Kuechly inside the 20 to the 10 and to the end zone. And it's Kuechly right back with another one. Can you believe it? Back-to-back plays. And again, they crash in on him. Lands on Romo and just crushes that left side. It's just one of those bizarre afternoons.
This is the first Thanksgiving Day game at Lambeau Field.
And busting through, and Lacy takes the pass, and Eddie Lacy is inside the 10 and all the way to the end zone. So it's almost as if he flipped the ball away before he crossed the goal line.
The ruling on the field stands as called. Touchdown.
Wide open for the touchdown is Zach Miller. The Chicago Bears have the lead.
And you will take your place among the greatest players in Packers history.
I want to thank my teammates who are here, and I certainly want to thank my family. And most importantly, I thank you.
Bart Starr, here he is with his wife Sherry to honor number 4. Beautiful. Rodgers fires in the end zone, batted and incomplete. The Chicago Bears will have come into Lambeau Field on a night that Brett Favre gets his number retired and pulled off pretty stunning upset. Dessert tasted real good tonight.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Happy Thanksgiving.